Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to give your Squarespace website a fresh, eye-catching look, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a banner in Squarespace, step by step, so you can instantly enhance your site's design and make a lasting impression on your visitors. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Squarespace account. Head over to squarespace.com and click the login button at the top right. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one. It only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all your websites. Click on the site you want to edit. Now you'll be taken into your website's editing area. Look for the edit button in the top left corner and click it. This opens the live editor where you can make visual changes to your site. Next, find the section where you want your banner to appear. For example, the top of your homepage or any specific page section, hover over it and click Edit Section. This will open up customization options for that area. Here's where the magic happens. On the left-hand side, you'll see Background Settings. Click on it. Under Background, choose Image. This is where you'll upload your banner. Now, you have two options. You can upload your own image from your computer or use one from Squarespace's built-in stock photo library. If you're looking for something professional or themed, the stock options are a great resource. Once your image is uploaded, you can adjust its focal point, overlay, or opacity to get the perfect look. Make sure the text on your banner remains clear and readable. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save in the top corner. Then preview your site to make sure the banner fits perfectly with your overall design. If needed, you can always go back and tweak it until it looks just right. And that's it. You've successfully added a banner to your Squarespace site. It's a simple change that can make a huge impact, giving your website a more polished, professional, and engaging feel. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Squarespace tutorials and website design tips. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy designing.